Today, I'm showing you how to enable screenshot gesture on your Android device so you can take screenshots quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the Settings app on your Android device. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down and tapping the gear icon. Step 2. Navigate to Advanced Features. Scroll down through the Settings menu and look for Advanced Features, Gestures, Special Features, or System. The exact name varies by device manufacturer. Tap on it. Step 3. Find Gestures or Motions. In the Advanced Features menu, look for Motions and Gestures, or palm swipe to capture. Tap on it to access gesture settings. Step 5. Enable Palm Swipe Screenshot on Samsung. If you're using a Samsung device, look for Palm Swipe to capture. Toggle the switch on. Now you can take screenshots by swiping the edge of your hand across the screen from left to right or right to left. Step 6. Enable 3-finger screenshot on other devices. If you're using a device like OnePlus, Xiaomi, Oppo, or Realme, look for Take Screenshot or 3-finger screenshot gesture. Toggle it on. Now you can take screenshots by swiping down with 3 fingers on the screen. You might simply find an option called Screenshot Gestures as well. Step 7. Enable Back Tap. For Google Pixel devices, go to Settings, then System, then Gestures, then Quick Tap. Turn it on and select Take Screenshot as the action. Now you can take screenshots by double tapping the back of your phone. Step 8. Test your new gesture. Exit Settings and try your new screenshot gesture. For palm swipe, place the edge of your hand on one side of the screen and swipe across. For 3-finger swipe, place 3 fingers on the screen and swipe down. For back tap, double tap the back of your phone. After taking a screenshot, a preview appears at the bottom or top of your screen. Tap it to edit, share, or delete the screenshot. All screenshots are automatically saved to your Gallery or Photos app in the Screenshots folder. Additional screenshot methods. Besides gestures, you can also take screenshots using button combination. Press power plus volume down buttons simultaneously and hold for 1 second. Notification panel. Some devices have a screenshot button in the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down twice and tap the screenshot icon. Why use screenshot gestures? Screenshot gestures are faster and more convenient than using button combinations. They're especially useful when holding your phone with one hand or when buttons are hard to reach. And that's it. You've successfully enabled screenshot gesture on your Android device. You can now take screenshots quickly using simple gestures.